I bet you didn't know you could use Linkaloons to make something like this. Alberto from Sempertex is back and he shows us this very creative way to make a magical wall. Stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, we have the epic Alberto Falcone here from Sempertex.
Yeah,
hello.
Thank you for inviting me.
Again. It's great. It's great. I'm so excited to have you here again. Anyway, Alberto, we're going to get straight into it. What are we doing today?
Yeah, I was thinking to create like patterns, like tiles, and put together to make a wall. So it's a different kind of wall that maybe can be useful for somebody for some kind of job.
I'm intrigued. What are we doing? Let's do it.
Yeah, I will use to show the 6-inch. Linkaloon, but of course you can also use the 12-inch if you want to have something big, but here we don't have all this space and it will be difficult to show with other sizes. Okay, for this kind of wall I need to create two size of Duplets with Linkaloon. This one is about 4.5 and this one is about 3.5 inch. And you have just to tie them together as a cluster and twist several times because I need to create quite a strong pressure in between. Okay.
What colors have we got here?
The color in this case are white sand and cream colors.
Okay, cool.
But you can use the color you prefer. Can be also only one color.
Of course.
It doesn't change the technique. When you have two of these clusters, you have to tie them together, but not by using the neck like usually, but the tips. Okay. So I just tie together the two creams, 1 and 2. And then the two white sands. When you have to tie together, the first one is like usual. You tie, so you twist twice, and then you make a double knot or one knot. It's up to you. But here should be difficult to pass through. So I suggest to pull very well the two tips, and then rotate like 2 or 3 times and just pass through only once. Okay. And then tie with a double knot.
I've never seen that before.
It's better. So basically at the end I have this kind of very short garland if you want. You know. But it's quite strange. It's different than normal.
So is that the building block for this wall? Essentially?
Yeah. Okay. This is one of the block we need.
Okay.
After we can use 2 more Duplets. This time are the same size and the same color in this case. Cream inflated to 3.5 inch, but with a small distance in between. Okay. So I give this really small gap, but any case I have to twist several times. I need to create a quite soft connection here. Okay. All right. Not so strong. And this I have to push all the 4 with the 4 blocks all around in this way. So I normally find the position in between the bigger size of balloons. I pull it and I tie it by using one of the neck. Okay. And I have to repeat it with 4 of those. So
I see. Okay.
1, exactly the same way. So I put it in the middle of these 4 balloons and then I pull it very well and I tie it.
You do that with all 4 of these?
All 4 of these the same. So this is the base of the tail. Okay. And you can create how many you want and then connect together. Okay. So you can create really a big wall, as big as you prefer. Okay. We can continue right now by using, before to continue, sorry, I need to squeeze together these two clusters.
Yeah.
So I use just one of the neck, and I wrap it around and squeeze in the same moment. Okay, just wrap around a few times. It's not necessary, it's not mandatory to knot somewhere.
You do that on all of them?
Yeah, just pull and squeeze together in the same moment.
Okay.
Because we need to have as much as possible a strong, connection.
Okay.
For the stability.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, especially for the stability. So I do this. And then I can use a few Duplet with 5-inch this time. Those are inflated to 3.5-inch Duplets. I use one in the middle here.
Yeah.
And 4 more exactly between the two clusters. Squeeze it very well.
So you don't have to wrap those around or anything, just push them in there?
No, just push them inside and push very deep.
Yeah.
In this way. Okay, this is the tail.
Okay.
It's like to have 2 walls. One is the white sand, and another one is the cream.
Okay.
One. When you have done this, you can also finish this part all around. And I use again Duplets or also clusters. It's up to you. It's up to you. Can do the cluster and put the cluster. Normally I use the Duplet, so I put the first Duplet in this way, and then the second one.
Okay.
And twist together with the first one in this way.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Or you can create the cluster and put the cluster. By the way, also this gives stability to the tail, and in the same moment also cover the mechanic.
Yeah. So then you can just use as many of these tiles as you want.
Yeah.
And just make that. So how do you connect them?
Oh, to connect them, you need to have, of course, other tails.
Okay.
And you can choose. You can connect in this way.
Yeah.
Or in this case, I connect in this way. So I connect together the 2 creams.
Yeah.
Okay. And the system is exactly the same. So you have to tie it here and here as tight as possible. And then you can do it as big as you prefer. For example, I already done it.
This would be, you know what this would be really good for? If you had a big wall, but people could go behind it and they could put their faces in different gaps.
Yeah, absolutely. It can work in this way. It can also be like if you need a wall like windows. You can also create in this way. Of course, you have to image with 12-inch. It's huge.
It would be enormous, wouldn't it?
And also much more stable.
Yeah.
Because with the 6-inch is not so stable.
So how would you make this a wall that would be would you put it on a knot lamp? Oh, watch the camera up there.
Sorry. It's okay.
Yeah,
if I broken the camera, you can ask to Semperpex.
Okay.
Don't ask to me. So
yeah, would you put these on a stand, on a knot stand or something?
Yeah, you can have, or you can hang.
Okay.
Maybe this kind of wall is better to hang it.
Yeah. Okay.
On the ceiling. But also with the stand, because you will have a line.
Yeah.
So you can absolutely use it. Be careful
There
the
you go.
camera.
You look through that one. I'll look through this one. Ta-da! There you go. I really like that, Alberto. I really like that. Shall I do my sign off like this? Put your head through there.
Yeah.
Anyway, Alberto, thank you so much. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do, and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram and check us out on TikTok, where the fun stuff happens. From myself and Alberto, stay happy. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you.